Welcome back. On this episode, we are going to learn about what do you mean by uh, nested if loop. A nested if loop is nothing but there is an if loop within another if loop. Here is a simple syntax of nested if loop. This is the outer if loop and this is the inner if loop. That means the inner loop is placed within the brackets of the outer loop. So if the condition of the outer loop is true one, then the compiler will check this condition, and if this condition is a false one, the compiler will never check for this if loop. So that is is a simple syntax, and you can easily understand it with the next example. Here I am going to show you another example. Here we read two numbers and a and b. I add one more variable here, c, and read a value for c also. Ask for the user to enter another number, third number. Enter a third number and save it into variable c. Okay, now here I start the first if loop. On this if loop, we check the condition a greater than b. Okay, so if the value of a greater than b, then there is another chance. Here on this program, we are not considering the equality. That means a equal to b equal to c. We provide three different numbers for a, b, and c. Different values for a, b, and c. Okay, so if the value of a greater than b, there is another chance called if a greater than c. Okay, so if the value of a greater than b, compiler will check with that value of a with the variable c. If it is this one is satisfied, here the large number is a. Of course, a is larger than b and c, so we can print it out using printf function. Printf a %d is large. Okay, so this loop I put an else for the inner loop. Just put an else for the inner loop. That means here c is the large number. So here to check b is here a is greater than b, and we check a greater than c. If this one is false, that means c is the large number. Okay, /d, here it is a and here it is c. Okay, now we check the same for b also. So I copy the entire statements and paste it again. That means here if b greater than c, here it is a greater than b. Okay, here a statement is missing. If a greater than b, this one, copy that one, paste it here. That means here it is b greater than a, and here it is b greater than c. So here the large number is b, otherwise the large number is c. Okay, now we can check it. I save the program, compile it, okay, compilation is success. Now I am going to run it. Enter the first number. I provide 9 for a, and the second number 4 for b, and enter third number 2. Okay, 9 is the large one. Okay, execute it again. Now provide C as the large number, 3 4, so 9 is large. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this video and subscribe my channel now for getting more video updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.